What is up guys? Let's talk about Crusade, okay? So hindi ako makapasok ng Crusade but let's talk about Crusade. Okay? Ano nga ba yung mga nakukuha dito sa Crusade? Paano yung nangyayari? So, una, may preparation na nangyayari. Okay, the organized unit can be deployed to the Freedom where a SIG was declared or the currently owned Freedom. However, the number of members is limited depending on the type of Freedom. In the case of dukedoms and popedom, you can fill vacancy with mercenary during the mercenary recruitment period. Dito naman sa bidding, okay, kailangan nyo mag-bid ng mga lugar. Halimbawa, eto, no, kailangan nyo mag-bid dito. And so, only the members of the deployed unit can participate in the bidding. Even if a SIG declaration is complete, failure to place a bid will prevent participation in the conquest. Its mercenary, dukedoms, and popedom can recruit mercenaries from the end of the bidding period until the start of conquest. The diamonds paid to mercenaries as remuneration will be deducted from the PDAM income after winning a conquest. So, sa conquest, ito na yung pinakalaban talaga. Di na kayo maglalaban-laban, no? And boom, close. Okay? Dito, madedetermine kung sino nanalo, no? So, kung makikita nyo, maganda yung mga reward. And ito mga pang-crop ng mga something. Ayan, ng mga items. Then, merong makukuhang skill book. And then, yan, merong guild coin, alluvial, and more yun. Alam ko meron pang makakuha ka ng diamond eh. Let's see, no? Solid yun pag nakakuha ka ng diamond. Kasi yung guild namin nakaraan nakakuha ng diamonds, 15k diamonds, no? Sobrang solid. Paldo talaga malala. Pero ngayon, ang owned namin is Casillas and Mashka. Wala ako sa lineup ngayon kasi hindi ako nakapagpa-line up, but next time siguro magpapa-line up ako, no? Para bakbakan talaga. So, ayun guys, kung nagko-crusade kayo, no? Pumasok kayo sa crusade kasi malaki yung mga bigayan dyan. Eh, no? Sobrang gaganda, no? And focus kayo sa goal dyan. No? Mas maganda kung malakas talaga yung team nyo, kung nasa top rank yung guild nyo, no? So, yun. Grind lang guys. So, peace.